Hey guys, it's Sarah from Just My Typewriter, and today I want to tell you why I bought a bad typewriter on purpose. So as I mentioned before in a few of my other videos, every once in a while, after you've had so many typewriters in your collection, you get what I can only describe as the typewriter itch. And that's when you've gone too long in between purchases of typewriters and you need a new project. So this has happened to me recently. I was up to 19 typewriters, and 20 is just such a nice round number, and I decided it was once again time for me to purchase another typewriter. Now, when I'm looking for a new typewriter, I'm looking for something that's going to basically work when I get it, is under $25, and something that'll add to my collection that's not a repeat of something I already have. This typewriter is none of those things. So I was looking in my area for some typewriters just to see what I could find, and I found a photo of this typewriter, and the photo looks awful. And I immediately fell in love with it, like you do with some of those really ugly dogs, like the little chihuahuas with the tongues out the side of their mouth and like hair sticking out of their head. That's how I felt about this typewriter. Now, this typewriter was listed for $15 and was in State College near where my sister lives, and I saw it and immediately knew I had to have it. Now, there are a couple problems with that. A, it's in awful condition. As you can see, there are keys glued on top of other keys, there are missing glass side panels, and it's a Royal 10, which I already have one in great condition. It didn't matter the reasons, I was in love with it, and I needed it, so I texted my sister and had her actually pick up the typewriter for me, and here's a little vlog of her doing that.
What's up, everybody? It's Grace, and here's Dalton,
Hey.
and we're gonna go pick up a cool typewriter. We're on our way now, and I'll update you later. So update, we're in the car, we're going to the guy's place. It's 7:30 p.m.
And Grace sucks with directions.
and I went the wrong way. I didn't give any
Distractions.
directions. All right, hey everybody, we just picked up the typewriter. It's looking, well, you can't see it because it's dark. It's looking fantastic. I did
Now you can
trip.
see.
Oh yes,
There are lights.
it's right there. I'll send pictures so you can see a better look. But when I picked it up, I wasn't expecting it to be literally 800 pounds. So I started walking away, and then I tripped over a step.
Yeah.
And it was quite a scene.
It was hilarious.
I wish I would
It's
have
apparently
recorded
another
it.
thing Grace can't do.
I didn't know there was a step. I was so... Anyway, we got the typewriter, now we're making our way back. So we made it back home in one piece, just a little bit dusty and some dirt here and there, but it's good to be back, and I'm excited for Sarah to go ahead and fix this up. Thanks for joining me.
So why did I buy it? Besides the fact that I was in love with it, like a three-legged cat that's also blind and has one ear. Well, it just is one of those things that I wanted to show you guys how to do on this typewriter YouTube channel. I see a lot of Facebook Marketplace ads that have destroyed typewriters or things that are rusty or look like they're in bad condition or are missing parts, and they're usually ones I pass on because I don't think that I could fix them, or they're just not in the right condition for what I want my typewriters to look like. But realistically, there are so many things on typewriters that you can fix at home on your own with not a ton of experience. And I want to show you guys how to do that with this typewriter. So this Royal 10 will be going through the repair process. Now, I've done a Royal 10 restoration before on this channel, and I will link that below. The main problems with that were paint oxidation and just a few pieces that needed re-glued in or messed around with a little bit. This typewriter is a whole different story. I have to remove all the keytops from this and see what's underneath them. Kind of like when you're removing carpet to see nice natural hardwood floors underneath. We're gonna find out if there's hardwood floors underneath these plastic keys. I also need to find out what year this typewriter is from, and I also need to determine what other problems there are with it. I literally haven't touched it except to put it on this table since my sister bought it for me, and I had to take it home in the car when she moved out of college with it on my lap the entire time. Here's a photo of that. So I want to see what else is wrong with this typewriter, and that involves some testing. We're also going to have to clean it, do some polishing, and we also need to figure out, what other things can we do to this typewriter to make it something that somebody wants in their home. Obviously, there's some decals on this typewriter that look like they're a little rough. Can I replace those? Should I replace the typewriter feet? Are there bars that need bent back? These are all things that you can totally do at home with minimal mechanical abilities, I swear. And they're easy things that you can do to your typewriter so you can fix yours too. So I'm going to make a little series here about buying a bad typewriter and fixing it. There are also some other YouTube videos here on this channel. You can watch some other small repair videos or restoration videos. And we also have a lot more content on our Instagram, which is just.my.typewriter. One more thing, I need to name this typewriter, so if you have any naming suggestions, please leave those in the comments below. My other Royal 10 is named King Louis, and all my other Royal typewriters do have names that are also royalty related. So if you have some ideas for those, please drop them in the comments below, and together we will name this typewriter. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to remind you, you're just my typewriter.